If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make your text stand out, this one's for you. Today I'm going to show you how to create a gradient stripe text effect in Affinity. It only takes a few steps and the result looks really good. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is create a group of lines or stripes. Instead of using the pen tool, I'll use the rectangle tool for this. I'll click to select the rectangle tool and draw a thin rectangle. Then I'll go to the transform panel and set the height to 30 pixels. I'll also change the color to black so it's easier to see. Now I'll switch to the move tool and duplicate this line by pressing Ctrl J. I'll drag it slightly downward and change the height to 25 pixels. From here, I'm going to duplicate the line 8 more times to get 10 lines in total. You can use more or less lines, but I'll go with 10 for this one. I'll press Ctrl J 8 more times. And there are all my lines. I'll select them all, right-click on the selected layers, and group them. Then I'll align them to the center. Now I'll add some text. I'll grab the Artistic Text tool and start typing. I'll go with space. Then I'll adjust the text by changing the font and style. I'll switch to the move tool, zoom in, and resize the text so the top edge lines up with the top of the first line. And the bottom edge lines up with the bottom of the last line. Let me zoom out and align everything to the center. Now I'm going to apply the lines as a clipping mask to the text. To do this, I'll click on the line group and drag it onto the thumbnail of the text layer, not onto the layer name, but the thumbnail. And there's our stripe text. Now let's add a background color to make it more interesting. I'll go to Pixel and click New Fill Layer. Then drag it below the text layer. With the Fill tool selected, I'll drag a gradient path over the fill layer. I'll select this gradient stop, go to the color panel and change it to purple. Then I'll select this one and change it to pink. I'll switch back to the layers panel, grab the move tool, and change the text color to white. Now the great thing about this is that the text is still fully editable, so you can change it to any word you like. I'll click on it and type something new. If you notice the text getting cut off, it means the clipping mask isn't wide enough to cover it. To fix that, I'll grab the move tool, expand the text layer, select the clipping mask, which is the lines group, and drag to make it wider. I'll collapse the text layer and move it back to the center. And just like that, our gradient stripe text effect is done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give it a try in your own designs. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye.